The plan was to relax, to clear my head. But by the second day, I couldn't shake the sense that I was being watched. Every time I stepped around the corner of the house or passed by one of those lifeless windows, I expected to see someone, something. Nothing ever appeared. Still, that weight, that pressure never left me. That evening, as twilight bled into night, I lit a few candles. The overhead lights were dim, and the electricity flickered like it was trying to hold on to something. I sat in the living room, book open, barely reading. Then I heard it. A thump. In the hallway, it was sudden, heavy, like something had been dropped on the floor, something large. My breath caught. I rose slowly.